as your second mom, I didn't give you the gift of life, but I am going to be here to share this life with you um, forever. Na-emotional naman ako. Because I I grew up with you guys, and I'm so happy that we have these moments where, even the bad moments brought us all together. Even when I don't think you ever hated me, or you just didn't like me, or I didn't like you, or something like that. But we are where we are today because of all of that. So I want you to know that you have nothing to fear. All of this, all of what I have, all that I work for, and what your dad works for, know that it will be all for you. Kaya para sa mga moms, sa mga fur moms, kahit hindi pa natin na-perfect ang aming role, it's alright, di ba? It's okay as long as the love is there and we are doing our best. And of course, para sa mga pamilya na nandyan na unique na kwento, unique and special, sana meron kayong natutunan sa aming story in this episode. At para sa mga marites,
Next week on Heartwell.
talaga ang nangyari sa aming love story. Cheese, I always believe, that people should really fight for one another. But I don't know what got into me. Parang a dark shadow was casted upon me.
Tawag doon sa akin.
Iba ako nun talaga. No one can break my decision. I was out.
Siyempre, hindi maganda ng biyerno yun.
Pinapaya ako ng papel kung ano-ano papel.
Kasi ang tingin ko, lilipas, baka mamaya, ng
Ma-finalize.
ka. Hindi, bigay, benta mo, nagpapin ako, may kumakatok dito, hindi siya nangyari. Ano naman yun, di ba?